Hello families and friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to another cooking from my kitchen. I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you're watching from around the world. Today I'll be sharing with you my version of the Hawaiian famous Lomi Lomi Salmon. Let's start cooking. Raw salmon. Here's the vegetables that we need for the dish. Sesame oil, salt and pepper, and then red pepper flakes. Okay, so what we'll do first, we will cut up our salmon. I'll take the skin off. Okay, cut them up in cubes. Now I just want to acknowledge that this version I'm sharing, it may not be the, or definitely not the authentic way of preparing the traditional dish of Hawaii, Lomi Lomi Salmon. So this is my version according to how I like it. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so I'll keep cutting our salmon in small cubes. On that note as well, friends, I have some wonderful friends in Hawaii and viewers, subscribers from Hawaii. If you can help me out, share your version of the dish, give me some tips, and if you think the version I'm sharing with you tonight, I should add something else to it, please feel free to share your tips with me. I'd love to get your feedback on. But I love it so much. I love this, and I love the poke as well. I'm a seafood person, so I love my seafood, and so I enjoy making seafood dishes from the islands of the Pacific. The way they make it different to the way we Samoans prepare our traditional dishes. Okay, so I'll keep cutting the salmon. What I'm going to do now with my salmon, I'm going to add some salt to it. Okay. I will marinate my salmon with salt, and then I will leave it aside for about half an hour to an hour, just to marinate the salmon with the sea salt. Okay. Now, I think doing it this way, or this method, will sort of like cook the salmon. Okay, I forgot the term, the proper term. It's like soaking this in lemon as well. You can do it with lemon. So I'll do it with the salt for now, and then I'll put it in the fridge for about half an hour to an hour while I'm preparing my vegetables. Okay, so let's do that. I've added a good amount. Let me add a little bit more here. A good amount of salt. And doing that will probably draw out any liquid from the salmon as well. Okay, we'll cover that, put it in the fridge, and then we'll start cutting our vegetables. Okay, I'll start with the white onion. And then we'll go with the tomatoes or the tomatoes. Now I've washed all of them, so don't worry. All of these have been pre-washed. I think this is the first time I've made Lomi Lomi Salmon on the channel. I know I've made poke before, but this is the first time I've recorded making the Lomi Lomi Salmon. I make it now and then because I quite like the recipe. And as I mentioned before, I love seafood, so now and then when the craving is bad, you know, you just can't help it but, you know, make it. And this is the first time I've decided to record it as well. So I'm cutting my coriander or cilantro. I'll just put it in one corner here, our cilantro. Then next up, I will cut our spring onion or green onions. Okay, put it on the side. I will only use half of the red pepper here. And that's pretty much all our veggies. Okay, so this is super easy. It's a matter of cutting all the vegetables and wait for the salmon to be ready. And then we'll continue to finish off the assembling of our dish. Okay, so let me see you back in half an hour. All right, friends and families, so if you can see, our salmon's been sitting for about 40 minutes in the fridge. And you can see that the color has changed now. It's slightly pink now. Before it was maybe dark orange, you know, the color of the salmon. Okay, so the salt has done its job. Now we're going to thoroughly wash the salmon with water. Get rid of that salt that we've marinated our salmon in. So let me go and wash it and I'll be back. Okay, so I've thoroughly washed our salmon. I'll put it back in our bowl. Now we're going to add all our vegetables that we've chopped before. Okay, before I add the vegetables, let me add our sesame oil. Okay. Okay, let's give that a stir. Now I'm adding all the vegetables that we have chopped before. Okay, give it a nice stir or a good stir. Smells amazing, everyone. You can smell the sesame oil, the cilantro or the coriander, our onions. The next ingredients we'll add our black pepper. Okay, we'll squeeze the lime in there as well. I'm only making a small amount because it's just me that that eats, raw fish, any raw fish dish. My family, they don't eat raw fish. So this is plenty for me. At this stage, I'm going to give it a taste to see if I need to add more lime or it's enough. That is quite nice. Yummy. I love the combination of spring onion, coriander or cilantro, onions, and tomatoes, and then with our salmon that was marinated with salt for about 40 minutes. And now the fish is quite nice as well. So this is my version of the Hawaiian famous Lomi Lomi. And if you like this recipe or if you have any tips for me, please go ahead and put it in the comments below. Share with me your thoughts and your ideas of how to make this yummy dish from our fellow Polynesian friends in Hawaii. Thank you to all the viewers and subscribers. We love and appreciate you all. Thank you for helping me in the channel. If you like to help me out, click the join button below and you will be able to become a member and pay as little as $2.99 all the way up to $9. Or if you like to help me through the thanks option, click on the thanks option below this video, and your help will continue to help me put more and more recipes on our channel. I appreciate you all and I hope you stay safe. I will see you in the next episode or the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Bye.